building an image recognition module. So this is going to be an interesting section because we will be focusing more about real world scenario implementation. So let's have a look about building image recognition. So it's important to understand the introduction, like what is image recognition. If you are new to deep learning, this is a completely new concept and very interesting for you to understand. Image recognition is something like it's a kind of a software which helps to identify people, like places or a particular objects or any kind of actions in images. And this image recognition module, it requires a deep learning algorithm. Why? Because a human brain can easily recognize an image, but when it comes to a system, recognizing image needs certain training data, or we can say certain training algorithm. And deep learning is considered to be the best. It performs a large number of visual tasks as mentioned over here in my third point. And the most important thing is that it includes various set of autonomous robots, creation, self-driving cars and everything, which is more concerned with the activities of the image recognition module.